Texas is experiencing rapid growth in biotech and biopharmaceutical research and manufacturing. However, it is also facing a substantial pipeline deficiency of a readily available skilled workforce. The National Center for Therapeutics Manufacturing, NCTM, at Texas A&M University has built an immersive training portfolio to meet this demand, featuring programs to train biopharmaceutical technicians and operators and provide continuing education to advanced biomanufacturing professionals. NCTM's Workforce Development Program centers on current and next-generation techniques for the manufacturing of vaccines and biopharmaceuticals, including cell culture, molecular biology, cell and gene therapies, aseptic technique, cGMP procedures, upstream and downstream processing of biological materials, and industrial bioanalytical methods. Educational modules are provided in multiple flexible formats, including hands-on technical training and continuing education, asynchronous online courses, and even train the trainer programs. All training has been designed, developed, and is delivered by industry professionals and academic subject matter experts. NCTM can customize training designed around any company's internal manufacturing processes. Since its inception in 2012, NCTM has trained more than 1,600 people and has been awarded research and educational projects worth more than $20 million. To learn more or to work with NCTM, email now at programs@nctmmail.tamu.edu.